Olwaleero ekitongole kya poliisi kifulumizza abasirikale abamaze okutendekebwa obulungi 193 ku ttendekero ery'e Kabalye erisangibwa mu bitundu eby'Emasindi. Amyuka ssaabaduumizi wa poliisi ya Uganda Major General Geoffrey Tumusiime Kasigazi awo nno wasinzidde n'alabula abasirikale ba poliisi abagenda mu maaso n'okulya enguzi.
Alabudde abasirikale abakyalemedde ku buli bw'enguzi.
If you are being corrupt in lands, you are helping people to steal other people's land. The investors, when they bring here money, instead of helping the investor, you help the thief who steals the investor's property. So the investor eventually gets frustrated and run out of this country. You are not helping us. You are not helping the people.
Asinzidde Masindi ku ttendekero e Kabalye mu kufulumya abasirikale 193 abamaze okutendekebwa. Major General Kasigazi agamba nti abenyigira mu kulya enguzi baba batatana ekifaananyi kya poliisi.
This cannot continue. You young people must change that image. It is not a good image. Look at our police officers, they are under the sun. The traffic officers, the sun is hitting them. When it rains, it is on them. You people, can we maintain that position again? Why can't you say no? And we find out a medicine for that. Young people, you.
Amyuka ssaabaduumizi agamba nti abatasobodde kuyitamu mu kiseera kino eky'emyezi 3 nga batendekebwa si baakusigala mu kitongole.
But they fell out, meaning that they have failed this test. They have failed this test, and definitely wherever they are, they might not enjoy their stay in Uganda police. Because I'm sure you know, for you to be promoted to the next rank, you need to have passed this course. Did they tell you that? Yes, so if you didn't attend this course, I don't know.
Kukuwa police bondi abateberezebwa okuba abazzi b'emisango. Alagidde abaduumizi ba poliisi n'abazitwala okukisalawo so siba OCCID.
Now we are saying for OCCID to give out a bond, you people must be involved. OC station. You must be part of that discussion. The DPC should be part of that discussion. We can no longer leave this one to one person. OC station, OC what? CID.
Akulira abakozi mu kitongole ekya police Goloba asabye abafulumiziddwa okussa mu nkola bye bayize.
You carry on with what you have learned here. Don't stick away in the books where you have written them. Continue looking at them, continue revising, they will make you even better. As is knowledge, when you learn something, if you don't go back to it and improve on it, you stagnate.
Bya awera Gabdio, Soroti TV, Omunyo.